Jamaica's Toni-Ann Singh crowned Miss World 2019.
First of all, how do you feel? You've just become Miss World.
This feels like a dream. I'm just so grateful. Thank you for whatever it is you see in me. Thank you. And I'm ready to work, ready to get to work.
Big group hug of the year.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
With all the pomp and circumstance surrounding the 69th edition of the Miss World pageant, viewers in over 150 countries worldwide watched as Miss Jamaica Toni-Ann Singh was crowned Miss World 2019.
Toni-Ann Singh from Jamaica is crowned Miss World 2019.
The 23-year-old native of Bath in St. Thomas, who is also a recent graduate of Florida State University, defeated over 110 competitors from around the world on Saturday, December 14th, in the Excel Convention Arena in London, England.
We now know our 4 finalists, but there's just one place left. That 5th and final place goes to show your appreciation for the remainder of the semi-finalists. Thank you, ladies. You did great. Well, they're having a big...
This is a repeat of the 1976 feat when Cindy Breakspeare was crowned Miss World in the British capital. Singh becomes the 4th Jamaican to be crowned Miss World, and the first since Lisa Anna took home the title in 1993. France second and India third flanked Singh after the announcement was made. For her first moments on the international stage, Singh offered an inarguably cultural presentation, free of controversy, with a seamless merger of charm and contemporary flair.
Why should you win? What's special about you?
I think I represent something special, a generation of women that are pushing forward to change the world. I wouldn't say I'm different from any of the women on this stage, but I will say that my passion for women and pouring into them and making sure they have the same opportunities that I've had is something that sets me apart.
Dressed in a bandana-inspired costume, Singh introduced herself to the world with the island's 2019 anthem, toast by reggae music's 19-year-old global sensation, Coffee.
Now, before I judged this, which was obviously the judging highlight of my life,
Yes.
I used to judge America's Got Talent and Britain's Got Talent.
Yes, I know.
If you'd come out and sung like you did tonight on those shows, you might have won one of those.
You think so?
Yes.
Thank you.
You have an amazing voice.
Thank you so much.
It is Whitney-esque. I mean, have you pursued a career in music? Do you want to?
I always say, if the door is open, I'll walk through it.
That's a very good line. But you can now take that voice and you can go around the world with Miss World.
Yes.
You can go to all these amazing countries and you can sing everywhere.
I know, I'm so excited.
teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.